Hey lovely people, Tempest here from Times with Tempest. I am standing outside in my front yard. It is a gorgeous day, and I've said this in other videos. I cannot wait for the official start of spring. So I'm beginning to focus on how to decorate the front porch. To get me started, I did some DIY wreaths. Take a look at what I made and stay tuned to see how I made them. Oh, before I show you, I'm gonna need you to subscribe to this channel so that you can stay tuned for more updates. Be sure that once you get through the video that you like it and you leave a comment and tell me how I can move forward making more DIY wreaths in the future if you have some suggestions or ideas. Thanks. So what you see here is an 18-inch grapevine wreath and the mess that I made trying to put it together. But all I did was start sticking flowers in the wreath, kind of visualizing the placement, and nothing is glued down or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one glued down, and I will record myself making the second wreath that I have to make, and it's gonna be as identical to this one as possible. So stay tuned for more. Here's the other wreath. It is from Hobby Lobby, $4.99. The first one, I didn't buy them at the same time, but the first one I got when it was 50% off. I ended up having to pay regular price for this, but it's $5, so not a big deal. They always have the 40% off coupon for regular price items, so you could get it with the coupon if you wanted to. The burlap bow is from the wedding section. Same thing, first bow, got it 50% off. Got this one, ended up having to pay regular price because they alternate their sales. If you know how to make a bow, by all means, use wire burlap ribbon to make your own bow, but that is not my ministry. So I'm going with the ready-made bow. So when you get the bow off of the packaging, it's gonna have this on the back. I'm gonna use this and attach it to the wreath here. Whoops. Like that, and then I'll put some glue on the strings. Like I'll weave it through the vines and then I'll put some glue on it just to get it to seal. It's woven through and twisted, and once I get everything in place, I'll make sure that I glue it. But for me, gluing is the last step because I need to make sure that everything is where I want it to be. So I'm starting here. The bow is already in place. You can see that I have my flowers and my wire cutters, and I'm just removing excess leaves. I have the bunch of flowers, or a bush or a bunch, whatever you call it. And what you want to do is you want to work with individual stems where possible. You can see me picking through pieces that are already cut, and because they're still on the stem, all you want to do is stick them through. They will naturally go into the grooves of the grapevine wreath. Sometimes you may find you need to push a little harder in certain sections, but otherwise just the placement of the flowers, again, as random as you want them to be. It's pretty simple. I have a method only because I'm trying to make two identical wreaths. If you're just making one or multiple and they're going in different places, just put the flowers where you think they go. Make sure that the colors are complementing one another in terms of your scheme, and the rest is pretty easy from there. So all I'm doing here is just holding it up, making sure the flowers are landing where I want them to land, and make sure that it's perfect before I move on to getting everything secured in place. Now that I have the glue gun, I am going into where the flower stems are now meeting the wreath itself and adding some hot glue to help keep it secure. So now I am going to flip the wreath over and work on tucking some of the stems and trimming some of the stems, as well as adding more glue to the backside again, just to be sure that everything is secure. All right, so there's the first one. You'll see that I added the word welcome to it. I used a little E6000 glue. I'm kind of letting it rest, so hopefully it stays. But then on this one, I've added the word spring to it. So maybe from left to right, it says welcome spring. This one isn't glued down, so I'm not sure yet. This is what I'm using. So it just says decor, it's a 3-piece. And one says spring, one says bunny, and one says welcome. So I got 2 packs in case I wanted to use the words multiple times. We're gonna see how this goes.